look at that.
Roasting plant.
Wow. Good.
Time well spent.
There you go. Clothes out of doors earlier to find. So here we have today's bike build. This is for Mark Brewer here. Do you want to tell us a little something about this bike? Like, why did you decide to go for a build like this?
One of my retro childhood sort of dreams really, from rebuild from 1986. Redline Pro Styler. So from scratch, assembled all the parts, and Matt's done a brilliant job putting it together, so thank you.
That's alright, you're welcome. Obviously a few little points, like we're missing out on some pedals, and we've used the rear brake cable to do the front to put it through the Potts mod there for now. So a couple of little fine tuning to get back home, but also that's all part of the fun of having a nice old school BMX tinkering in your garage, smacking it with a hammer. So there you
Thank
go,
you very
Matt.
much. Cheers, Matt.
Of course, thank you too.